Hello everybody, happy Thursday. Color of the day is yellow for suicide awareness. It is a very beautiful day in the hill. Windy, wicked windy. A little bit of cloud in the sky there, but looking pretty good. A little bit of cloud. Had to put the suntan lotion on. Looking slimy as heck. I gotta find me a different one. Nature's dryer at work. Oh, got a shirt flipped over already. It tells you about the wind, man. It tells you about the wind. Charlie's got his tape up over there. You see that yellow tape. Caution. Blue sky happiness. I want to grill, but I don't know. I open up the grill and the ashes just go everywhere. It's kind of windy. Hear the birds. Oh, I can hear the wind. Ugly toes. Yep. Then neck the other way. This is a wicked good drying day. I got sheets in the laundry right now. Yep. It's like 80 something degrees. You're outside for 17 minutes and you're gonna get a burn if you don't put some stuff on. So I got my stuff on so I don't burn. Burn is not cool unless you're burning something medicinal. Then it's cool. It's like way cool. So, yeah. Here comes another fucking gust. Whee! Can you hear the music in the trees?